Hey everyone, thanks for joining Plot Designs, Your Style, Your Budget. Today we're going to be showing you the big reveal of my first big interior design project. I'm really excited about this project. It was a lot of fun, a lot of hard work, a little stressful, and a great experience. I definitely learned a lot. So here's a quick tour of what we're dealing with. This is before we got started really on anything major. The room has been emptied and we have done a little bit of work. We've already taken out some cabinets and put up a little bit of drywall at this point. But the client of mine is planning on putting a vinyl floor in down the road. So she went ahead and painted the floor to an appropriate color that would kind of match. And she also wanted me to incorporate some of the things that she already owns. So you're going to see her bed and 2 nightstands and a couple other pieces of furniture that she owns. This is basically the setup that we've got going on. She's moving from a room into this open living area, and she's wanting to basically have a master suite. So we have the bedroom area, which is right here that you can see. And then the area that I just came from is the sitting area. We're going to make it 2 separate spaces, but make it flow together. And then we'll also be doing a custom built-in closet later on. The process that I took to decorate everything is pretty self-explanatory in the video, so I won't be doing a voiceover, but make sure to check out my other videos as I've got separate tutorials on different parts of this project that you might want to check out. With that, let's go ahead and get started.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Bye.